Okay, good morning mga kamisik. Welcome back. Follow, like, and share, and leave a comment section if makaresonate kayo or hindi sa reading nito. General reading for Capricorn. Okay, Earth sign, Capricorn, ano bang message sa inyo ng universe? Timeless reading ito, pwedeng nangyari pa lang, nangyari pa lang ngayon. Okay? Capricorn, Earth sign, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. Ano bang message sa inyo ng universe? Okay, Capricorn, I'm seeing here this energy na may mga ilan sa inyo, especially doon sa mga single na Capricorn, is nagkakaroon na ng interest na magkaroon ng relationship or ng partner this year 2025 or starting this month of April to May. Okay, some of you are starting to entertain someone or to you know, to spend your time with someone or with somebody out there. I am seeing her na medyo nag-i-invade yung feelings when it comes to your love life, Capricorns. But I can also see her na ito ay talaga nakatadhana na mangyari sa inyo na meron kayong mga tao makilala, especially for this month of April to May. Just be careful na lang din sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan ninyo. Kasi possibility talaga na mag-grow tong relationship na to, na tumindi at mag-intense pa yung energy na meron kayong dalawa. Aside from that, nakikita ko talaga na hindi lang siya temporary relationship. Hindi lang siya as in through social media. May possibility talaga na kayo ay mag-partner in person or mag-meet kayo, kayo ay mag-relocate, 'di ba? Magpalit ng residences, lumipat ng bahay, magsama, in short. But that's not for long, Capricorn. This person is planning to leave you behind in the future. May possibility na ikaw iwan na to, especially kapag may nakita siyang mas better na tao sa iyo, mas successful yung buhay, mas average yung status sa iyo. Okay? So, sa sobrang tiwala ninyo, Capricorns, may possibility na kayo ay ma-drawn sa mga taong akala nyo sila na talaga yung the one for you. But these people or this upcoming people or person na enter sa buhay ninyo is someone na lilipas lang din, or let's just say matatawag natin pansamantala. Aside from that, I consider na ito rin yung magiging dahilan to some of you para makaranas or muling maka-experience sa matinding depression. So technically, this is a love reading. So, on over loving this person will might also hurt you as well in the future. Okay? Okay, yun din yung magiging dahilan ng sakit. Aside from that, Capricorns, I'm seeing here a success in your career. Yung iba sa inyo dito, starting this April to May, may possibility po kayo na mag-business, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, galing talaga kayo sa pagiging isang empleyado, and I think bigla kayong nagkaroon ng matinding realization na hindi na siya nag-work sa inyo, hindi nyo na na-provide yung needs ninyo aside from the wants, kasi especially you're an earth sign, you're a very workaholic, you always intend to focus on your needs, your family's needs, your own needs, diba? Kung ano yung parang need ninyo as of the moment, pero at this time, you just realize na parang as an employee or as a person na nagtatrabaho sa isang kumpanya or ganito lang yung business or ganito lang yung work or salary na meron ako, hindi na siya akma para sa family ko, hindi na siya akma para sa mga needs ko. So, some of you is starting to invest for a business. Okay, I'm seeing here you're investing for a business. The rest of you, Capricorns, is magkakaroon ng business through online. Okay, pwede kayong magnegosyo through online using different platforms na meron na kayo. Some platforms na nag-exist na talaga even before, na ngayon nyo lang naisip or na-realize na magkaroon or magtayo ng business using this platform, using your influence. Okay, is influence if you have. Okay, may mga Capricorns din ako na nakikita na manggagaling from other countries na magbabalik sa ating former countries here in the Philippines, na mag-i-stay na kayo for good because maybe you already reach your success or you're also starting to open a business. Okay, to some of you na Capricorn talaga na nasa abroad at ngayon palang pabalik ng Pinas na magpaplano na mag-open up ng business, sure, magtayo ng business. And to some of you, hindi lang naman meron talagang online business. May mga nakikita ko dito na magtatayo ng bahay, mag-hoard ng properties, magtatayo ng rental house or bed space or something connected to that na bahay. Okay? So, yun yung mga possible na itayo na yung business dito because you feel like ito na yung something na need ninyong gawin para mag-grow, mag-boom, or maybe yumaman kayo in the future. Regarding about in your health, may possibility to some of you is magkaroon ng problema sa dugo. Okay, high blood, yun ang mga pwede ninyo maging sakit. And I am seeing here, a problem with the food and water. So, be careful then Capricorn sa mga iniinom at sa tinitake ninyong food or meds or vitamins man yan. Always double check if it's FDA approved or let's just say if it's matches to your health status, kung ito ba ay akma sa timbang mo, sa kalagayan or kalusugan ng katawan mo, or ito ba ay yung mga meds or vitamins na dapat mong i-take, or do you really need to take these meds? Do you really need to take this or to eat this food or to drink this juice, water, or anything else na ini-insert sa katawan natin? Kasi possible yung sakit or illness is manggaling din sa sarili ninyong kapabayaan, Capricorn. So, always double check your foods, your drinks, or anything else na i-insert natin sa katawan natin. So, this is our general reading for the month of April to May for Capricorn's timeless reading. It's either mangyari na siya right now, as of this moment, or nangyari na before, or mangyayari pa lang in the future. Actually, it's going to be more on now in the future, not in the past. Kasi it's April 2025 to May 2025. That's all for now, Earth Signs, and see you on my next upload readings. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment down below if kayo ay naka-resonate. And don't forget to replay this video if you feel like it's starting to happen na in your life. Kasi this video could be your lead para ma-avoid niyo yung mga bagay na na-mention ko na hindi nyo na dapat gawin bago pa man nangyari. Okay, that's all. And God bless you all, mga kamisik. And don't forget to subscribe on me here on YouTube.